Good evening, everybody. Happy Tuesday evening. It is 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, November the 4th. Watching NQ and gold. Let's see what type of conditions we get this evening. Gold in a kind of in this range here between this LVN right here and then this key LVN right here. We had this bounce and then these little anemic bounces that are getting smaller. Do we get a squeeze up to this level or do we break and go more downside? I think those are the two scenarios. I'll watch for a break above. NQ continues to sailfish down here. Delta's pretty negative, tanking hard. So I might keep an eye on NQ a little bit here, see if we get any buyers step in, get a little bounce somewhere. We have really no great levels. Let's take a look at the longer term profile here. We did fill the low volume node, the no volume node, we called it, right here. That has been filled today. All right, so now we're back in this trading area. Here to here. We have another interesting zone down here it's far away. Still another 75 points away, but it's down here. So I would expect a bounce there down at 400. No, 400 to 420. I'll put an alert. Bye. So we'll see what we get. You know, we still have some lower volume. We could probably flesh this out a little bit, but if we keep going, I'll probably pick up. Well, Striker, that's what we call chasing price. When you chase price, oh, it's going down, short it, right? Normally it's not a setup. Normally what winds up happening is you can't manage your risk because where's your idea wrong? It's usually way far up here. 70 points. Well, if you're shorting a falling knife, we're assuming you're going to short the bottom, Santis. Right? That's not shorting a pullback because that's not a falling knife anymore. It's got a pullback. So a falling knife is straight down. Thank you. Sorry, guys. So we were looking at the profile, right? We filled the no volume zone. Right here. That was filled. Filled, baby, filled. So now the real next point of interest is down here at 420, 400. I got an alert set. I'll buy down there. Thanks for letting me know, my screen. I was chatting with the YouTubers. I forgot about you guys. Gold catching a little bid here. What do we think? More upside? Taking it. Beauty. Worked out nice. We still might get more. Wait a minute. Which is odd. Oh, it went right up to that LVN. Right here. Does it flush everybody out first? Switch over to this one. Just another rotation down, or do we get the price discovery continuation? Giant fake out maybe? Or do we get some more upside? Definitely bounced off that LVN, didn't it? Let's see here. I'm going to move over to a different account. These are pretty big candles, huh? Man, gold loves it. No, usually you get some clean, straight moves. That was just a test of HVN. Of course, LJ. That's what always happens. Back to VWAP it goes. After it just did what in the last, I don't know, 5 minutes? 66 tick rotations. Crazy. So we could very well go back down here, but let's see if we hold up at VWAP. Doesn't look like it. Straight back down it goes. Where's my gold pros? Where's Bob Burner and what are we doing here? Bob Burner and Corey. Where are these guys at? My gold pros. A little bit of a price discovery continuation short there on NQ. Grabbed it. I'm fiddling around with gold. And NQ is just having the and my take strike stopped working. I don't know why it does it. Anybody else's tick strike do that, where it just stops working? You have to close it and reopen it, or is that just me? Not really in the catch knife mode. You feel like short and gold? Is that what you're telling me? Oh, doesn't it look like we're putting a little structure in here to possibly go long? Oh, JP definitely always wants short gold. JP loves to short gold. Building some structure here on NQ as well. Since 3,500. You guys are funny. I like how everybody could take a joke here. That's the best part. I've never seen anybody really get all that upset when we poke fun. I like that. We don't have to take ourselves so seriously all the time. Looks like it's about getting ready to moon right now, JP. Here it goes. To the moon. And Q also building some structure here. I might take a little stab long on NQ. Long at 85 3/4. Give me a little something here, NQ. Give me the short squeeze that I know you got for me. Stops at break even. This thing's going to work or not? Ah, came right to my order. My order's too high. Damn it. I didn't realize where it was at 500. What a stupid place. It was over 500. What a stupid place to put an order. Stop me out. We're already returning to value. VWAP starting to flatten out, constrict a little bit on the bands. Still going to look to go long here. You think gold's going to break this level? Sure would like to see it. Oh, you're short, JP? Tell me you're short without telling me you're short. Took an L on that one. Still like it. Let's go. Come on. Ba-boom. Back of the green. Is there a way for me to trade with real money without knowing it's real money? There is. You can open up several accounts and transition, and randomly it opens up your cash account. You know, there's actually tools that even reverse your positions for you. Like, so you're going long, it's automatically going short. It literally exists. Craziness. Here comes gold. Let's go gold. Blast off. Who thinks gold's getting ready to erupt right here? Feels juicy. I think gold is getting ready. Are you long or short, Hella? That's the question. If it's going to wreck you, oh, you're long. Okay. We do have this key LVN here. It is in the way, Hella. However, it does look like structure is building and pressure is building to the long side. Now, I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. I'm on my 3 minute. I'm on the 3 minute. I'm on the 3 minute. I'm probably on a 20 day look back. Yeah. 3 minute, 20 day look back. It appears they're supporting the bid on gold. Oh. But now what happens here? Got half a point spread. Hello, Anthony. How are we doing today? Okay, well, let's take a little bit of look at this structure here. Let's look at the higher time frame composite here. Looks like we have an ascending triangle. That's what it looks like to me. $53.1. I think we at least get to 53.1. There's the return to value on NQ. That ascending triangle looks picture perfect. If it doesn't break to the upside, I'd be shocked. But there's definitely some sellers and absorption taking place here at 50. There's no doubt about that. Can they get it to trade above 50 and hold? I think if it does, I think there's going to be a lot of traders looking long. So we have some good upside to 53 and then even 64. If we can break above this and hold. But it's rejected several times. Rejected here earlier. You know, is it going to flush everybody out first and then go? We do have this point of control at 80 here. Ella said it. Gold's getting ready to wreck him. Let's see if it holds at VWAP this time. I'm not convinced one way or the other quite yet. JP's thinking, hoping this thing flushes to Hades. I know that. He's still in. I think I'll buy one here at VWAP. Nope. It's not giving anybody continuation to either side. Oof. We're still chopping in on distribution here. One side to the other. Back and forth we go. Or this was the big bull trap and now it flushes everybody. Back down to value area low. Yeah, gold's not having a good time right now. I don't think. If you're short, then sure. Short from up here, that is. If you're short down here thinking it was going lower, you're still offsides. So there's that. LJ, that is the truth. LJ says, one thing I can say for sure is that losing my 150K prop, $150 prop firm account is way easier than losing $2,000 in my cash account. That ain't that the truth. All right, I'm in the green on this trade on gold. Let's see if we can get back up to this 8 LVN at the top here. Maybe we'll get some fireworks before Japan. Tokyo Open. I feel like they got to squeeze the shorts out. Does anybody else feel like they got to squeeze the shorts out? JP doesn't feel that way. I feel like they do. You take profits on that short, or you still short, JP? Are you even here anymore? I don't even know. I'm long at 45.7. Oh, there's NQ at my buy spot. Or getting close to it at least. Be ready for it. It's got to go down another 20 points from here. I'm watching you, NQ. Oh, it did hit that extension. Pretty darn close. Let's get it. One more good flush here, NQ. Then we're going to the moon. Get your spacesuit on, boys. We're going to the moon. I would expect us to go a little lower here first. We're kind of right there. It's got to go another 20 points. It's around 220, 200 to 220. It's this spot. It's this red zone right here. 400 and 420, really. Keep going. Come on. All right, I'm long. See what we get. It's not all that explosive, is it? Got a good entry, though. It could still go lower, so I got out of that one. Break even. I'll try again if it goes lower. Could still have a little downside left in it. We'll see. Okay, now I'm in again. Better entry this time. And Forex Frank, why are we going way down? How do you know where we're going? The delta is diverging pretty significantly at this point. Patience, grasshopper, patience. Still a very interesting. Yeah, I'm still long. I have room to add. I still have one here at 26. We go drop into the teens. I'll add another one. If we get close to 400, maybe I'll add another one. I like this level. Key level off the LVN. It's the best level we got. Would I marry it? I don't know about that one. Or I would marry any trade, to be honest. Gold did the about face. Probably going to stop run everybody. Anybody who's long is about to get stop running gold. There it is. Ah, what a wick. Craziness. And now it's going to rally out of that. Watch. I didn't get filled on my second contract yet. It's very slow, very boring. Let's see what happens next while we wait. Comes JP wishing he held his trade. Mr. Short. Could not catch a bid. Bunch of just little anemic bounces happening. See if we get any bidders come in here. It's just bleeding. Slowly down we go. I do. I have my second contract. Yep. My average is 22 3/4. The more we hang out here, the better I like it. Every time buyers come in, it gets smacked down. These overnight low volume players want this thing to bleed out. Oh, one whole point. Good. Looks like they're sitting on the offer. It's not a good sign, but it's trying to bounce, and when it doesn't, passive sellers, guys, sitting on that offer. There comes gold. What a bunch of crock of shit. Clears everybody else at the bottom and then rips. So predictable. Where's my stop loss? I don't know. Probably well below 400 somewhere. I don't think I'm in trouble. You got to be patient, guys. Breathe. Still like the trade idea. It's just still at the price point I liked. It could be 15 points lower from here, and I still like the price level. All right, we're getting closer to 400 here. That one looks like it got bid up a little bit. Yeah, my entry's at 22 and 3/4, so down about 5 points here. I'd like to see us get above 27. No, I would say mid-30s is my profit target, but I'd like to see it get above 27. 27's in the way of my 35. Sellers are pretty strong. The delta's been going straight up for the last 20 minutes. Big divergence. See what happens at 8 o'clock. See if the Chinese have anything to do with it. You got to get above this level. Still like the trade. Keeps bouncing right off into my order level. Love that. Can't go green. And my tick strike turned off again. We've been in a 10-point range for quite some time now. I might be a little too aggressive on this profit target. Let's see what happens at 8 o'clock. See if we get a little volatility step in, a little bounce, maybe some short covering. We'll see. I did that already, Alex. I did sell and get back in at a lower price. My first order was in the 30s. I'm now in the 20s. I got out at break even. The irony. Guys, gold ain't going anywhere. Gold has been going sideways for the last 5 hours, as you can see. No, I'm not short gold. I am not long gold. Gold is going sideways. We're in a balanced market on gold. The system says fade the value or extreme, short the top, buy the bottom. Until then, no trending conditions whatsoever. All right, we got the 8 o'clock hour coming up. I'm playing a higher conviction area, Alex. I'm not trading the 1-minute charts. I'm trading this hourly chart right here, and we're coming down to a zone. It's not going to be perfect, so I'm not going to fight over ticks and points. I'm looking for a higher time frame fade value or extreme on a composite profile that goes back to late October. So we're not going to get lost in the 1-minute chart. All right, here comes 8 o'clock. Well, now it's accelerating. Oh, Jimmy's out. All right, Jimmy's out. Rip it. $400. All right, now I would, if we keep going, this is where I'd think about getting out. That's it. I'm out too, guys. Oh, well. Market is done. The pullback, the deeper pullback continues. We sliced right through the last low volume node we had. Right here. Gonzo. Right through it. Didn't even care. No bounce. straight down. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap up here. We'll try again tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the premium Discord. Then we will take it to 10 a.m. on YouTube with the delayed feed. You guys need a free trial? Grab one. You can join us nice and early for the market open. Sorry, we couldn't get better trades tonight, guys. Some days we do well. Some days, we don't have much. Could have chased it short. That's not a setup for me, though, guys. So, unfortunately, I went with the higher time frame conviction play. Didn't work. Gold back up after it flushed everybody out. Flushed everybody out, back up to the low volume node. Wonderful. All right, guys. I'm going to close up here. Have a great night. I'll be back at it tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. See you guys. If you're going to keep trading, manage your risk, stay sharp. Join us in the voice channels if you want to keep trading gold or NQ. And I'll see you guys in the morning. Have a great night.